How to change Google background. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change your Google background. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch any web browser on your device. Now click three dots at top right corner of the screen to customize and control Google Chrome. From this drop-down list, scroll down, choose Settings. From here, select Appearance at top left corner of the screen. Here you will see Theme option under Appearance section. Click on it. After waiting for a while, you will see the current theme. Simply, you need to select Remove from Chrome and select Remove button. After a while, now you can pick any kind of theme of your choice. You can scroll down and search for any theme of your choice. So let's open a particular one. Make sure that you are on the theme section, not on the extensions. Let's choose Amber Autumn and you can see the preview as well of the theme. Click Add to Chrome at top right corner of the screen. Waiting for a while, you can easily open a new tab and see that we have successfully changed Google background. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.